Hey guys, thank you for tuning in Tech Minutes. Today is the second video of Davinci Resolve series, and the issue we are going to discuss is audio playing out of only one side of your headphones. Either it is right side or the left side. Let me show you how to quickly fix this issue and make your audio play out of both the sides of your headphones. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, click on the bell icon, like, share and comment. Usually this issue occurs when you record a video using a screen recorder or you record the video using a non-professional microphone. And fixing this issue is very simple. Once your recording is done and you import the file to Davinci Resolve, you'll be hearing the audio only on one side of the ear like you hear it now, either it should be left or right. But once I fix this issue, you'll be hearing the audio on both the sides of the ear as you're hearing it right now. Fixing this issue is very simple, as I said. Select the clip in the timeline, right click on it and select clip attribute. This is an audio setting. Here you'll be having four options. Select the audio option here. Now if you see the format is set as mono. Once you select it and set the format as stereo, you'll be having a second source channel. The first source channel is set as embedded channel 1 and the second channel is set as mute. Change it to embedded channel 1. So now if you see, both your left and right track is set to embedded channel 1. Click on OK and play the audio. You'll be hearing the audio in both the sides of your headphone. That's it folks, it's very simple to fix this issue and I hope this video has helped you in your editing table. Until I meet you in the next video, it's bye from Tech Minutes.